This is emergency alert system. This is not a test. This is Nation in YouTube service. In Mathis R.V. the raiders start to begin. About Troublemakers say unhappy birthday to Mathis R.V. The crime was now started after raiding. The comment is 100 plus because of Troublemaker big number and staff. Stay tuned for update. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. A troublemaker big number and staff are now very dangerous. Because they're more lot spamming said. Unhappy birthday to Mathis R. I know this because after birthday a mass comment bot. Coming in Mathis R.V. channel. Currently over 130150 plus comment. Because of troublemaker big number and staff. For rating to everyone in Mathis R.V. stay safe, everyone stay tuned for update. Important alert. I repeat, important alert. A troublemaker big number and staff are posting video about hate Mathis R.V. This is now simulation and very dangerous. Soon, happen post again for punishment for saying, like hate troublemaker and more. So stay tuned and stay your house. A child and teenager abusing. A common troublemaker big number and staff now. Punishment me and my friend and other. Like hitting and ruler because of hate troublemaker big number and staff. This is now. This is end of day 1 of incident of troublemaker raid. Mathis R.V. Day 2 is coming tomorrow.